Take a ride in the 2011 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, air conditioning third row independent controls, audio headphone jacks, rear, audio rear, volume control, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.